Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover these top real-world assets tokenization crypto projects for the next bull run of 2024. We are going to cover this big narrative that the same as AI and gaming, and BlackRock CEO Larry Fink has been talking about this topic since it started to be bullish in Bitcoin and crypto, same as JP Morgan and many big companies. So it will be an important part of the future of crypto. This is a 16 trillion market cap that could be from real assets in the real world into the crypto space. So this narrative is very important and you need to pay attention into this. We are going to cover a top projects that I think has a great potential for the next bull run. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, like I mentioned in the intro, this narrative is very important for the next bull run. Not only the BlackRock CEO Larry Fink has been talking about this topic since it started to be bullish in Bitcoin and crypto, but many other big companies and venture capitalist firms has been talking about the tokenization of real world assets into blockchain and crypto. So you can count this not only like financial systems, but also real world objects. There are many companies, for example, already that tokenize art, for example. You can tokenize anything and put it into the blockchain and do this with this 16 trillion market cap that the real world asset tokenization has. A big part of this anyways is going to be the tokenization of bonds, stocks and many other things that already live digitally in the systems, but many other things are going to be just goods and objects in the real world that are going to be sent into the blockchain in form of NFTs or many other ways to bring ownership on the digital world through blockchain and crypto. So this is a very important narrative. I'm going to cover a couple of projects that I think are very interesting. If you want to check this kind of projects, you can go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, search for categories. You need to search for real world assets, you will find this. There are less projects that you can imagine, so we are going to cover the ones that I think have a great potential. The first one has been here from a lot of time already, and this is Centrifuge. Centrifuge is the infrastructure that facilitates the decentralizing financing of real world assets natively on chain, creating a fully transparent market which allows borrowers and lenders to transact without unnecessary intermediaries. So the token is CFG and they have a very interesting tokenomics. The total supply is 447 million. Most of the circulating supply is already on the market, so from the 447, 360 are already in circulation. The FDB, so the full diluted value, is 275 million, so it's really low for this kind of projects. And the current price is 0.67, and recently have been pumping, and the all-time high was almost $16, so that is, we are down 24x's. So that means that we need to do 24x's to come back to the all-time high, which is a lot of x's, guys. And a bull run price could be around $50, so you can do 50x's on this project. 24 only to come back to the all-time high. Plus, if this gets to be a narrative, which it was not when they reached that $16 mark, this project could really make it big. This project already has been since May 2021, so has been already in a bull run. And they have many partnerships with Aave Circle, Coinbase, RWA, Credix, Goldfinch and Base and many others. But the very important thing is that they have a special partner with Coinbase. And BlackRock is a big investor of Coinbase now. BlackRock was at position 17 as the investors on Coinbase a couple of months ago, and now is at position 3 or 4 of Coinbase. So they have been buying a lot of stocks from Coinbase and now are one of the owners of Coinbase. And so there are speculations that Centrifuge could be a project that BlackRock use. So they control Coinbase, they have this very close partnership with Centrifuge. So this is a project that if BlackRock uses as the main project to enter into DeFi and real world asset tokenizations, it could be not $50 but hundreds of dollars for this project. And the FDB, like you saw, is 275 million, so it's really low. You can check Centrifuge here, it's at position 186. So it already had some market cap, $200 million. It's not a very small coin at this point, but the amount of exits that could do for the next bull run is really, really crazy. In terms of community, not super huge community here. I think all these projects are going to pop like crazy on the next bull run because we are going to have this narrative. When these existing projects already pumped it, there was not really an understanding of this narrative, or it wasn't pumped too much. And yeah, you can go to centrifuge.io and see everything about the project. Very interesting. You can run the application also, and you're already starting to use it. And if you are a little lost about how this works, go to the documentation. They have a lot of explanations about the system and everything. So Centrifuge also, like I mentioned, has a lot of partnerships. Many articles has been floating around over the last years about Centrifuge. So that is why I think this is the top one project on this narrative of real world assets tokenization. The second project is called Goldfinch, and you can go and check Goldfinch too. The chart is not great, but has been pumping a little on the last month. This project is ranked at position 363, so we are already talking here of a project with a low market cap, $84 million only. The total supply is 114 million tokens, so it's not a crazy max supply. The thing is that almost half of the supply is in circulation, so it's not so good that I was expecting to have more circulating supply for this project, but the FDB is really low, $157 million only. So this project being at position 200 or 150 already will be at those levels on market cap, so that is a really good news. And Goldfinch is all about to putting your stable coins to work. Goldfinch yields came from real world lending, and investments are collateralizing off-chain, which makes them distinctly different from the highly volatile DeFi lending you may be familiar with. You can put your stablecoins into work using real world assets, and I think this is going to be one of the big things, using your crypto to earn yield from real world assets. And like we mentioned, the current price is $1.36. The all-time high was $33, so we are 24x down of current price. Very similar, almost the same like Centrifuge. So these two are very big projects with a lot of potential to do a very big amount of exits. Bull price, I think it could be the double of previous, so $60 or more easily. That is almost 50x at the current prices. This project has been since January 2022, so never has been in a bull run. That is a very important data, because this could really explode on a bull run. And they have big backers too, including Coinbase Ventures. So this is another project that is linked to Coinbase. The website is really cool. You can check a lot of things about Goldfinch Finance, but yeah, very interesting project. You have here many deals that you can already explore and use. You have, for example, 17% of USDC APY, which is a lot. The duration is 28 months and the amount is 10 millions right now for this proposal. So yeah, check the website, it's really cool. In terms of community, 56k followers. None of these projects has more than 100k followers, so there are kind of small projects at the end. My third project is TrueFi. Again, TrueFi is a modular infrastructure for on-chain credit with DeFi and real-world assets. TrueFi connects lenders, borrowers, and portfolio managers via a smart contract governed by the True token. So TrueFi has both things, DeFi and RWA, so you can do both things there. This project has been already since November of 2020, so already has been in a bull run, but I really like the chart. You can see here 2021 on March. They have a peak first here on April, but then they have the peak here on August, a little early than the rest of the tokens on November, December. But this chart looks really well. I really think that this could pump again in the bull run to the same levels than before and even more. So the all-time high was $1, so we are 94% down from all-time high. That is super crazy. So I think this is also a great opportunity. And a couple of things that I really like from this project is the tokenomics right now. The total supply is 1.2 billion tokens, but like 85% is in circulation already. So from 2.2 billion, so from 1.2 billion, there's 1 billion already in circulation. And the FDB is really low, guys, 68 millions at this point. So that makes it a very attractive tokenomics. The current price is 5 cents. Our all-time high was $1.02. So that is 20x down of current price from the all-time high. Bull run price could go easily $1.50. The all-time high was $1, so $1.50 is 30x. And guys, this is really a very important narrative and this great tokenomics. Like I said, they already has been in a bull run, but important fact that other tokens are not sharing with this is that this token is already listed in Binance. So when the bull run comes up and people want to buy real world asset tokenization projects, this is already listed in Binance. It's going to be very easy to anyone to buy this. At position 4, I put these real estate projects. I am not sure of any of these three in particular. I think the third one is the most compelling for me. But we have Prop C. These are related all to real estate. It's very new, but has a very low circulating supply. So the token is a little expensive from my perspective. So you can check here Prop C. And there's not much difference between the all-time high because it has been pumping right now actually. So the all-time high was $2.85, so this is a 17% down. I don't think you have too many possibilities of exits here. The max supply 100 million, but like I say, only 8 million in circulation. I really don't like that. That is why I don't buy this token. But I really want to move into real estate, also real world asset tokenization in the real estate niche because it's going to be a big one too. So you have prop chain here if you want to check it. And you also have Propi. This project is the first one of this kind, has been since 2018. Each peak was lower than the other, so that seems that it could make it not many exits on the future. So if you check Propi, it's 93 down from the all-time high. That is good in sense. 100 million tokens, a little more than half is in circulation. FDB is also really low, 34 million, but you can see 2017 in December, first bull run was already at the peak. In the bull run of 2021, didn't get at the same peak than before, so that is not so good news for me for this project in that case. But you could get some potential exits here if you want. They are not in Binance or many exchanges and have been since 2017, so I am not sure about that. But it's in Coinbase exchange, so that is also good. And finally, Realio. This is a very new project also. 55 million tokens is the max supply, so you can see it's the double of Bitcoin, really low. 66 cents at the price right now, 86% since the all-time high, which was in the last bull run. So this chart is looking really good, but you can see that in the last 90 days has been pumping a lot from 13 cents already to 78 cents. You may want to wait and buy this token at a better price, but they have very big news right now that they are going to launch, so I don't really know what to say about this. The FDB is really good, 36 million, really like the tokenomics. Not many exchanges, so that is also that in the bull run, if they get more exchanges, it could be really good. And these exchanges are not the most popular ones. You don't have KuCoin or many others here, so very interesting token to buy now if you want to have some exposure into the niche of real estate, also in the real world assets tokenization niche. This project has more things. It's not only real estate, the other are more related to that, but you can check Realio after, check all the information. It's super interesting. 51k of followers, the same, not a big amount of followers. And to finalize, I want to cover LeoX. This is to unlock the future of luxury ownership with Galileo protocol. They have been doing 3x in the last month, so they are in a big pump right now. And LeoX total supply is 150 million tokens, very nice. Low circulating supply is in the market, that is not good. So from the 150, only 16 are in circulation. That is why also the price is a little expensive at this point. So the price is 62 cents. The all-time high was 75 cents. So we are almost at the peak right now. You can check here all the information. This project has been since April 2023, so it's really new. Never has been in a bull run. But again, I really don't like the low circulating supply. That means that maybe the project has the rest of the tokens, or you need to really consider that. The FDB is really low, 31 million, that is good, but I don't really like the circulating supply. I was expecting more circulation of tokens in the market right now, but has been pumping from 26 to reaching 75 in just 1 month since the beginning of November, so this is crazy. Not many exchanges neither, so this could be also a great opportunity to buy this token at position 1000. I really like the website, so it's really appealing, and you have a video and you have many information about how they tokenize luxury goods. So this is very interesting. Really like the proposal of the project. So check more information, and they have partners almost weekly right now. So check about Galileo protocol. This is LeoX, very interesting project. So guys, this is my top real world asset tokenization crypto projects for the next bull run of 2024. We have Centrifuge first at the top one of this list, a very important project with great tokenomics. We have Goldfinch, and also another great project. You can do 50x's in those projects in the next bull run. 30x's for TrueFi. I really like this project too. It's listed in Binance. We have real estate projects to check. I have my reserve of these 3 projects, but you can look for any other real estate project. Put in the comment section the list of your real world asset projects on crypto space. And finally, LeoX. This is Galileo protocol, the future of luxury ownership with Galileo protocol. Very interesting. Those are my 5 projects for real world assets tokenization on the crypto for the next bull run right now. Remember, before we leave, check my other videos on my website, cryptocurrencystate.net. I have been covering many airdrops, and right now, for example, you have Gary Coin, the pre-sale, and the airdrop. They are the first decentralized justice protocol. They take a fan of Gary Gensler and the SEC, but they are not really a meme coin. This is a serious project that is behind the decentralized justice. So you can be part of that. The pre-sale is open right now, and they have an airdrop, but you can check many other videos that I did from different projects and airdrops. So check everything. I am covering Cosmos, I am covering Solana airdrops, and many other things. So check my website. And lastly guys, check my subscriptions. I have a private Discord where we manage high level of information related to the airdrop war and the crypto investment war. So check my Discord. The subscriptions are really cheap, and if you want to do airdrops, I have an application that I created that is going to help you a lot. Check this video if you want also the subscription to my app. This is a game changer. Many people have been making thousands of dollars thanks to my app and my Discord. We manage real value information, and the amount of people there is limited. So at some point I will close the membership until someone leaves, because I really want to keep the quality of the people and the information. That will be all for this video guys. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video.